Hey everyone, welcome to this tutorial on how to deposit funds into Pocket Option using your debit card. It's a straightforward process, so let's dive right in. First, click on your profile icon located at the top right corner of the screen. Alternatively, you can click on Top Up. For this demonstration, let's click on the profile icon, and then click Deposit. Now you'll need to select your payment method. Choose Visa or MasterCard since you'll be using your debit card for this transaction. Before proceeding with the deposit, you may need to complete a Know Your Customer (KYC) verification process to verify your account. Enter the amount you wish to deposit. The minimum deposit amount is usually $10. If you have a promo code, you can enter it in the designated field to receive promotional funds. Click on Continue to proceed to the payment checkout process. Enter your debit card details, including the 16-digit card number, expiration date, and CVV code. Once you've entered your card details, proceed with the payment process. Your debit card will be charged, and the funds will be deposited into your real account on Pocket Option. And that's it! You've successfully deposited funds into Pocket Option using your debit card. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to drop a like. Stay tuned for more helpful videos.